Hello everyone, today I want to present you my realization of a famous game of life. It's a game from John Conway and it's interesting, so we can download this from releases and after this we can launch it. My realization is cross-platform, but X file only for Windows. In other cases, I will explain how to install it later. So we can run the game. Windows try to protect us, but we can run anyway. So it is, we can draw in this game, draw by different colors and run it by spacebar. So as we can see, different colors are mixed, it's okay, it's very good, it's very fine, and I think we need more information about my realization, about these options. We can get this information by pressing F1 button on your keyboard, or you can use icon. So the rules are left, and we can pause the game and read it. A live cell survives if it has 2 or 3 live neighbors. What mean by neighbors? It's about this grid. We see that every cell have out of 8 neighbors, so we can calculate neighbors on this picture, and we can choose which cells will survive. So this cell have 3 neighbors, it's okay, it will survive. These 2, this have 3 neighbors, this have 2 neighbors, it will survive. This no survive, this will survive. A dead cell becomes alive if it has exactly 3 live neighbors. Which dead cells will be alive? I think this one and this one. So we can check it. Yeah, it's true. So it's planner on this picture because it moves. It's funny. Now about the other controls. By right mouse button you can move around the fields, basically start, pause Conway's game, and you can also change speed. Just use a left right arrow keys on your keyboard, and this is minimal speed, and maximum speed will be so on. It's very fast. So we can change it to default value, and by mouse wheel we zoom it out the field. By press KP we can use some patterns, for example this planner, and draw with it. Also with patterns we can draw continuously, and run it. So by up or down arrow keys we can switch between patterns. For example, this pattern or this pattern. Also, you can rotate your patterns by press R and use rotate variants. If you want to erase something, you can click or press a button E and erase by your pattern or by just clicking, just click and hold left mouse button. So grid mode it's on G, and to go transparent mode on or off, it's will be useful not now but later, because now it's no transparent cells, default colors no transparent, so it's alpha component maximum. We can change the own colors by numbers on your keyboard. 0 is it's a fake, so it's not participate in the game. And you can press K to kill all your cells, Ctrl plus K to delete all fake cells. Also you can edit your patterns by press E or icon, and you can add your own patterns, you can edit it, you can use it in field and run anyway. So it's changed the color, and the last one is used. For example, if I choose this on one of these, we use this, and also we can switch. We can save it. It is saved in the file patterns parameters that will be near with ex file, we will see it later. By Ctrl plus Z we can revert to last save and do what we want from this moment. And also we can time travel. It's about creating, and after it we can by cadre move by cadre, next cadre or previous cadre. And if we play something in past, we will only get to the next steps the results from this updated past. For example, I press a space and my pattern is used. And also you can change visibility mode. It's about icons. If it is not visible, it is not working as icons. It is okay. So we can use button F1 to hide help. So we can run it, we can enjoy it, and just something other things. I think I need fake color for just enjoying. Ctrl plus K, grid mode off, speed up. So we get it. And after this I want to escape from my game. I can save my results by Ctrl S or by button on top right. So we can escape, and after this we can check our game. We now find parameters file, and with it my program used the data you save. If we delete parameters file, of course it will be from beginnings, from default values, from default parameters. Okay. Now I want to present you some other pattern mode. It is art mode. How it's used? It's have in instruction you can add, remove panga images from the gallery folder. What is gallery folder? It's like a gallery folder in my repository, so we can download my repository and use it. as you can see, in the gallery we have some pane gas. Thanks to purepangas.com for these images, and also I want to use it in my game. How it is worked. If some images have width or height greater than 50 pixels, then the image will be reduced. So we have gallery, and we can run now my app. So as we can see in rules, if we use pattern mode, so we get this. This is from PyCharm, and this can be used to create your own examples. I also mentioned about transparent mode. It's used on this because if we change transparent, we can see other results. So on results, and we can also switch between our pangas and run other pangas. So if we change transparent mode, we can watch the difference. So it was about high, you can rotate it also. It is about my app, and now I want to explore more about to explain more about installing on other platforms, or about Windows 2. If you don't want to use X file, you can run it by pure Python or by PyCharm Community Edition at all platforms at Windows 2. So how it is working? You install Python and PyCharm from the internet. It's Python, it's PyCharm Community Edition. So PyCharm Community Edition is free to using, and it's open source, and it's beautiful. I like it. After you installing all this, you can open PyCharm. If you open your previous project, just close it, and after this you can get from version control systems my repository. How to do it? Just copy the link and get from link, and so you can clone it. Also, you can use git clone and pure Python if you want. In instruction, we have this description what to do. And when we clone, we can run it after installing necessary main py. We need to installing pygame and screen info. You can install by console, by terminal. PowerShell is used, so or you can install just by click. So sorry, I need to change Python interpreter. Now I used global, and we can install by click just. Pygame successfully installed. Screen info. I don't know now. It's updating skeletons. Screen info to install. Also, you can do it from terminal. It may be easier to do. Pygame screen info. But now I install it by clicking, and I don't need it now. After this, after installing necessary libraries, you can just run, and you can get the same app. And if you want to check my code, or if you want to change something what you want, you can do it, because it is metered licensed, and you can do what you want, and you can publish it, you can modify, merge, distribute, sublicense, or other. Just do what you want with my code. Don't forget about attribution, because it is mid license. So after this, I want to show you how you can get exe file on Windows. Just install pyinstaller. I used terminal for it, and after you install it, you can just run pyinstaller with main specs file, and after this, after running it, you just get the result. In this folder, we can open it in Explorer, this Conway's Game of Life. It's okay, it's the same. If you want to launch this on other platforms, you can do it by create and activate virtual environment if you on macOS or Linux. Also you can create and activate virtual environment on Windows if you want. That is a good practice because you you install package only for this project, not for global. For example, on Windows I run it all, but in other platforms it will be the same, but maybe you need to write Python or Python 3. It's dependent on platform. So I want to do it for example, pip uninstall pygame pygame. So on screen info and pyinstaller. I delete it from global, and after this I can create virtual environment just by using in terminal I want to I want to use these buttons run in terminal, not just run, run in terminal. It's very fine, very funny. So as we use PowerShell, we use this script and we get virtual environment by this. This is the comment. Now we can install necessary libraries. Pip install pygame screen info. So we get it, and after this we can just run main.py and enjoy the game. So the same, and you also can do this all in PowerShell or other commands or terminals, others. Just do it if you want. Also we can install pyinstaller in our virtual environment and delete build gist. I'm sorry. Maybe it's need to use like this. I'm sorry, very, very sorry. Out dist. So now we can run pyinstaller main spec So we also get our AX. Now everything we want we do, and we can just deactivate virtual environment. And if we check Pygame version, there's no Pygame. It is what I want to say. If we try uninstall, skipping Pygame as it is not installed. So it's installed in our virtual environment, but not installed in global system. If we want to activate, we just activate, deactivate. So it's on. It's everything I want to say to you today. Thanks you for your attention, and sorry for my bad English. It is not first language for me. I'm trying the best of me. Good luck, everyone.